Tyagi Exports has been a major market player in the hair industry for the past 10 years, manufacturing and providing premium quality raw hair products. Our production process begins with the ethical sourcing of raw hair from the holy temples of South India, which then goes through washing, hackling and inspectional segregation, after which the chosen bulk of the matter is taken to the next level. Here they undergo different procedures depending upon the needs of our consumers. These include wefting, giving different textures to the hair, and the making of all kinds of keratin and pre-bonded hair extensions, including tape-ins, I-tips, U-tips, V-tips, flat tips, and more. We provide the best quality lace closures and frontals along with state-of-the-art wigs that are chosen and sewn in by experienced artisans. All our procedures are annotated with numerous stringent quality checks to ensure that the hair that reaches you is of the best quality in the world. Finished products go on to our warehouse and are safely stored, regularly inspected until they are ready for shipping. The beauty of our product is in its very core element. The sourced hair is immaculate and perfect for women of all races and cultures. This is why we have established our hold on over 5 continents. Our motto is to ensure that our customers have a splendid experience, which is why we provide complete support throughout the buying process and even after-sale services. We have a dedicated team of professionals that handles management, customer service and after-purchase requirements along with marketing, shipping and other departments that unanimously bring to you the impeccable finished product. We have served thousands of customers and we would love to serve you too. Get in touch with us.